Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me again, here to help you out with another iPhone problem. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset your iPhone if you've forgotten the passcode, and guess what? You won't need a computer, Wi-Fi, or any third-party software. Yep, it's that simple. This method works on any iPhone model, so just follow along step by step. First things first. Swipe down the control center and turn everything off. That means Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth, just switch it all off. Now, swipe up on the screen and you'll see your iPhone is locked. No worries, here's what you do. Tap on the emergency section, and enter a special code using the dial pad. Once the code is in, tap the dial button not once, not twice, tap it a few times. Now be patient. Within a few seconds, you'll see the Apple logo pop up on your screen. That means your iPhone is starting to reset. Give it a little time, and boom, your iPhone resets completely. Now, just go through the setup like normal. You've successfully removed the passcode without using a computer, without Wi-Fi, and without losing your data. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.